Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In the well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. लपे आती है दुआ बन के दमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदा या मेरी लपे आती है दुआ बन के दमन्ना मेरी दुनिया का मेरे दम से ही मेरे बदन की जीनत मेरे फूल से ज्योति है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी पहलवान की सूरत रब फूल से होती
ये कर सकते हो तुम, ये सऊदी का बैकग्राउंड टाइम क्यों बंद फुल करो।
मुझको मोहब्बत यारब मेरा काम हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से मत करना बन के दामन मेरी। Thank you. Good afternoon, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. Like every year, 23rd September is celebrated as Saudi National Day. Being an expatriate with all due respect, our class is conducting a festal assembly. On behalf of our class 1T and our respected teachers, Mrs. Aisha Malik and Mrs. Hadra Sultana, we wish you a pleasant and a refreshing morning. We started our assembly by pay gratitude to Almighty by reciting Surah from the Holy Quran by Han Abu Bakr. We pay homage to our motherland, so today the pledge was guided by Sai Security. Our lovely school song was sung by Aisha Sasmina, Arab, Omar Irfan and Salim. To continue our assembly, let's add the vision of our school by Kaushik Selvaraj. Morning teacher, my dear friends. My name is Kaushik. I wish you all very happy Saudi National Day. Okay, now I'm going to say our school vision. International Indian School Dubai aims to be an institution of excellence dedicated to producing good human beings and respectable global citizens. We love to make humanity love. Thank you, teacher, my dear friends. Thank you, Kaushik. Next, let's have a thought-provoking and delightful thought for the day by Johann Jacob. Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friends. I got to speak about thought of a day. The greatest university of all is a collection of book. I repeat, the greatest university of all is a collection of books. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, friends. Thank you, Johan. Now, let's welcome Chetan Gupta to say an amazing proverb. Good afternoon, everybody, and my dear friends. Today I am going to say thought of the day. United we stand, divided we fall. Thank you, teacher. Happy Soil National Day. Thank you. Thank you, Chetan. We all know that knowledge is power. I would like to call Ryan to amaze us by amazing fact.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Sindare from class 1 is going to tell you some amazing facts on Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has 83,000 square miles in area, which makes it the 13th largest country in the world. Saudi Arabia has more oil than any other country in the world. It has two of the biggest mosques in Mecca and Medina, which is visited by millions throughout the year. Riyadh has the world's biggest camel market. It sells about 100 camels per day. It is the largest country in the world without river. Thank you. Happy Saudi International Day. Happy Saudi National Day.
Thank you, Ryan. Next, let's welcome Vihan to present a wonderful speech. Good afternoon, ma'am and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is the largest country in Middle East. It's a major producer of petroleum products. Its capital is Riyadh. In Saudi Arabia, people speak in Arabic. Its national animal is camel. Its national bird is falcon. Its national tree is date palm tree. We celebrate Saudi National Day at 23rd September. On this special occasion, I wish everyone a happy Saudi National Day. I love my Saudi Arabia. Thank you. Thank you, Vihan. Okay, now this is the time to listen a song. I welcome Adi Ablas to sing a beautiful song. Good afternoon, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Adia. Today I recite a poem, Good Manners. We said thank you, we said please, we don't tease, we don't argue, we don't fuss. We listen when folks talk to us. We share our toys and take our turn. Good manners are not hard to learn. It's really easy when you find. Good manners means just being kind. Happy teacher, happy Saudi National Day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arya. Next, I would like to call Davis Thakur to enjoy us by a fancy dress.
Hi, I'm Superman. I'm very strong. I can fly super fast. I can save people with my special power. Happy Saudi National Day.
Thank you, Davis. Now let's welcome Aditi Patel to present a pleasant speech in Hindi on Saudi National Day.
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम अदिति पटेल है। मैं आज सऊदी राष्ट्र दिवस के बारे में बोलूंगी। सऊदी राष्ट्र दिवस हर 23 सितंबर को मनाया जाता है। किंगडम का नाम बदलने के लिए ये सऊदी अरब में मनाया जाता है। 2005 में किंग अब्दुल द्वारा इसे राष्ट्रीय अवकाश मनाया गया था। सड़कों और इमारतों को सऊदी झंडे से सजाया जाता है। लोग हरे और सफेद कपड़े पहनते हैं। पूरे राज्य में हरे और सफेद सऊदी गुब्बारे भी लगाए जाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Aditi. Next, let's welcome Nishandini to present an exciting dance. Thank you, Nishandini. Next, I welcome Ishagan to present a fancy dance.
Hello everybody, my name is Nisanga. I am a Saudi policeman. I save my people and my country. I protect you and your family. I vote, and when you sleep, I catch thief and punishment. Thank you. Happy Saudi Day.
Thank you, Vishagan. We are ready for the Saudi National Anthem by Isal Ansar, Mariam Faisal, and Ziya Fatima.
Allahu Akbar. Ya Mautani, Istafarahal Muslimin, Ashal Malik, Lillah, Wal Watan. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Mariam and Sira. Next, get ready for the Indian National Anthem by Juan, Mushtaq Tahar, S.A. Fatima, Mohammad Ayan, Rusta, and others.
जनगण मंगलायक जय हे भारत Thank you, Juan, Taha, Eshel, Anan, Rusta, and others for the International Anthem. Thank you all, Assembly Vice President.